G'day traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and today we're going to be talking about FOMO. Not fear of missing out, but the frustration of missing out. Now, Monday I had a trade opportunity Tuesday, February 21st, and heading into the US just after the London Open and just before the US session, I took a short position in the Mexican peso right around I guess 6:30, 7 o'clock Perth time, and I identified a small box on the 5-minute chart as the market approached this selling level, and I took that trade, and immediately the market reversed and went strongly in my direction. And if you've followed the Mexican peso at all, you know that it tends to move occasionally off the London Open, but it definitely moves during the US session, and it'll move quite strongly at the US Open, and then often may reverse directions towards the London close, and sometimes though it can continue on throughout that whole US session. So I went to bed. The market came down almost 50 pips. When it took out the low of the 10 o'clock candle, I went to break even, and at this point for me, it's getting sort of close to 9 o'clock Perth time. I don't tend to stay up. I went to bed knowing full well that as we headed into the next hour, I saw the market spike up. Now, it did not hit my stop. I went to bed and left that in at break even overnight. To get up in the morning and see that the market, as it traded throughout the US session, auctioned back up, took out my stop at break even, so I was well and truly asleep by this point, and then reversed. Now, as the market continued to trade, it broke down towards the low of that range again, and then it exploded and broke out quite short and dropped over 400 pips. So frustration of missing out. But I got up in the morning and I saw this, and I had a momentary frustration and a bit of emotion. But see, I snapped myself out of that right away because number one, I was glad that I obviously had been biased in the right direction. Now I could have taken the profit on that first trade, but my hypothesis was about the market trading this range and doing a measured move at a minimum of this range. So that trade should have maybe delivered 250 pips at least, which would have been about 5R. And that's okay, because these opportunities happen all the time. So I immediately was able to regroup myself and get my headspace back focused on the process of trading, because every trade is just another trade. And this is why, when you understand, and Mark Douglas talks about this, that if you understand that anything is possible, anything at all, number one, now you need to realize why you keep your losses small. So I have a rule that when it violates a previous low or high, I go to break even once I'm in a trade, which I did that. I went to break even. This is a high possibility area for the market to reverse or continue. So I followed my plan. I'm happy with that. Yes, of course, I did miss out on a bigger opportunity, but I don't trade 24 hours a day. This opportunity that presented for me fit my criteria for one of my trading plan strategies. I was able to identify a low-risk opportunity that gave me an asymmetrical range to trade from. I took that trade, but I got up in the morning, and again, human emotion, that will be one of your biggest enemies, because it will talk you in and out of everything that's required for successful trading. So frustration of missing out is just as bad as the fear of missing out, traders, but never fear, because these opportunities happen every week, and there will be another big move this week, probably in the peso as well. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video. Stay focused, stay disciplined. Every trade is just another trade. Always manage your downside, traders, and look for asymmetrical risk-reward opportunities. Have a great trading week. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.